Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss with you resource and development from geography first chapter. Now, what is resource? Resource is a source or supply from which a benefit is produced and that has some utility. Now, this word utility is very important when you describe the definition of resource, because a resource must have its utility. Now, from human perspective, a natural resource is anything that we obtain from the environment, and obviously it satisfies our human needs and wants. Resources can be classified on the basis of its origin, biotic and abiotic.
Now student, these are the example of some biotic resources: water, forest and animal.
On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable, non-renewable.
In this picture we found solar energy, wind power, renewable resource, coal and nuclear energy, non-renewable resource.
Now, on the basis of ownership, individual, community, national and international.
Now here in this picture, house is individual, park is community, railway is national, ocean is international resource. My dear student, on the basis of status of development, we found potential, developed, stock and reserves type of resources. Wherein the potential resources which are found in abundance in nature, for example solar, wind, but unused. That means use is just little bit. Next is developed. Resources that have been surveyed and are utilized with the help of technology for developed resources. For example, coal, which was found in the eastern region of India. Next is stock. Resources that exist but are not utilized due to lack of technical expertise. For example, H2O, which was found in the oceanic water, no technology to use it separately as a resource. Next, we found reserve resources. Reserves are the subset of the stock which can be put into use with the help of existing technology, but their use has not been started. For example, hydroelectricity in Yamuna and Ganga river. So these are the some example that I presented here to show the example of status of development resources.
That's all for today. Thank you.